I am a hustler and the son of a hustler, like hustlers like many of us are. I have walked that journey of coming from the village to be able to sit here and get the privilege to serve my country. And I want to thank the people of Budalangi. They are Abanyala people. Honorable Chair Mheshimiwa Wandai would tell you that the people that they call Jo-Manyala, they are actually the real Jonam. And while our good neighbor and Shemej think they are better fishermen and sailors, Jo-Manyala actually say we taught these good neighbors how to fish and how to sail. And we also taught the Igbo of Nigeria how to wrestle. Amalinza the cat can confirm that. So, Mr. Chairman, I want to thank this